Searching for the best countertop dishwashers. Number 5. RCARDW308 Countertop Dishwashers. Holds up to 6 standard place settings. Number 4. Black & Decker BCD6W Countertop Dishwashers. 7 wash cycles, normal, intensive, eco, glass, 90 minutes, rapid, and soak. Number 3. Homelabs HME01033 and Countertop Dishwashers. Simple to use control panel with light indicators. Number 2. Farberware FDW05ASBWHA Countertop Dishwashers. Compact design suitable for small-sized houses, apartments, dorms, boats, and campers. Number 1. Danby DDW631SDB Countertop Dishwashers. Quick Connect feature compatible with most kitchen faucets.